Hey, what is up? Today I'm going to just show you how to retarget animations. It's actually really simple, so this is going to be really quick. We're going to speed run this. So right now I already have the character and the animation. And if you want to know how to do that, it was in my last video. Just check that out. It's pretty quick as well. All this stuff is pretty fast. They really streamlined it. It used to be a lot harder. So now, all you have to do is right click on it and click retarget animations. And before it was like a whole skeleton issue, you got to make sure but now we just have to put in, so the first one's going to be the source skeletal mesh, or the one that you're taking from, and the next one is going to be the one that it's going to. And you can see here that we have a flare 3, that's the flares. And we're just going to export the animations. And if you want to add prefixes, suffixes, or other stuff, this is just replacing the name. You don't need to do that. And then you select the folder that you want to take it to. I didn't create a folder for this, so I'm just going to put it on my main content folder. And then I am going to export it. And then you just hit export. I'm not going to override the existing files. I'm just going to leave that as it is. And then when I double click on it, you can see that it's now retargeted to your character. So let me just show that. If I go into my third person character, well, that's all you need to know if you just want to dip out right now. And let me just create a keyboard key. This is pretty fast though. And then I'm just going to get animation, play animation mesh, and make it looping, and then it's going to be the flare 3-1, because the 3 that we have is the one for the other one, the other skeletal mesh. And so I can compile and save that. Hit play here, and if I press E, I am now doing flares. And that is all I want to show you guys. So have a good one. Bye.